G'day guys, Fatty here, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great, and today we're going to be doing some e-bike bearings. So, I know I haven't done any previous e-bike videos, but okay, so these failed on me. So I bought a Voilamart kit. Now, I'm not saying that the thing, as you can see, that is rust on the bearing. So this is how it was when I took it out of the bike, out of the motor. They were rusted. They were rusted like that, and they are pretty well stuffed. Now, they weren't at the point where they were seized or anything like that, but they were making very grindy noises. So these Chinese bearings, sorry guys, I'm just going to be blunt, they are shit house. They are terrible, that come with the Voilamart kit. Yes, they did do 2,200 Ks on the bike. That's how much I rode the bike, but they're rusted, and there was no water in the hub whatsoever. These were purely rusted because of lack of lubrication inside there. Now, I took these out, and that's what the metal grinding was. There was just rust. As you can see, if I can get in closer, inside is fully rusted. Like in there, you can see the rust all around there. And that's with me dulling it down, like cleaning them up a little bit. Now, inside, I have taken the thing off, and there was barely any grease. So these bearings, and can't read the actual brand of the bearing, but I did do some research on it, and they were Chinese. So as you know, some things from China are good, some are bad, but I would never buy these bearings. However, I have replaced the bearings on the e-bike, and they are actually really spinning very, very well. So I put some good quality Japanese bearings in there. So, alright guys, well, I thought I'd show you that and if you're interested, if you ever do need to replace the bearings in your Voilamart e-bike kit, so it is indeed, for the big one, it's 620 3RS, and I believe the other one is 6202RS. If you can read that, I'm not sure if you can. Yep, 620 2RS. Even the plastic that it's on is very, very difficult. Now, these are, yeah, as I said, rubbish bearings. My recommendation, if you were to buy the e-bike kit, and I'll just show you the other side as well. These have been sitting in dirt, so after I took them out, but only for a little bit. Oh, there we go, ZGB, there you go. That's the brand of the bearings, so that comes with the Voilamart kit. But if you are interested in replacing them, I would highly recommend getting some good quality Japanese bearings if you actually wanted to replace them when you get the kit. The factory ones are fine, but like I said, they'll only last 2,000 kilometers, if that. I'm a heavier rider, so they are quite terrible. So I've actually got, even though the company claims that, not that I'm bashing Voilamart, they're a great e-bike kit, cheap one on eBay, but they are indeed, yeah, the bearings are shocking. I mean, after taking them out, after a year of having the bike, they were rusted. When I started noticing, as soon as I started noticing that metal noise, I took them out and they were rusted. That's how it was. So lack of lubrication in those bearings. So I would recommend, if you were going to do that, I would recommend taking them out and greasing them up. What I done with the Japanese ones was put some grease around the outside and inside, and then put it on the crank. So It just keeps it well and good. Alright guys, that's it for today. Take care. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And Fatty is out. Boom, boom.